Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the Vera flap bag in an emerald green color. Now I must disclaim that I don't know if that's the exact official name of this bag because it is discontinued and it comes up amongst a lot of different search items, but the bow on the front is called the Vera bow, so I think that's a pretty good guess. Now this bag is either a crossbody or a clutch, and it is honestly just a very simple, sleek purse. It has a single linked gold chain that is simply attached through a hook and eye system, and it has a magnetic close. It does have a nifty little kind of hidden pocket towards the back wall, which I think is partly used to store some valuables or something that you don't want to lose, and otherwise used for storing the chain if you want to convert this bag into a clutch. I will show you how to do that in just a moment here, but overall, this bag is just very simple. It is for those that don't want to carry around a heavy bag and still have the Ferragamo signature style. Again, as always, I do recommend that if you ever purchase a luxury bag that you do keep the cards. This bag is not available to be purchased from the official Ferragamo store, perhaps by an outlet, but definitely not in the current season store, so it is always a good idea to keep your tags. This will help you with authenticity and just knowing a little bit more about your product. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.